Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select your seats on Emirates Airlines. First, visit the official Emirates website and enter your flight details when searching for tickets. Once the options appear, click on Select Seats above the ticket price. From here, you can choose the seats for each passenger. Emirates offers standard, preferred, and exit row seats depending on your needs. You can also specify if you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat. If you've already booked your flight, simply go to Manage Booking on the Emirates website. Enter your booking reference and last name, then select Seats to view the seat map and make your choice. For the best options, it's a good idea to plan ahead and choose your seats early. Checking in as soon as online check-in opens can also give you more seat choices. And remember, being flexible helps if your preferred seat isn't available. And that's it. Selecting your seats on Emirates is quick and easy. Prioritize comfort and preferences to enjoy a smoother journey. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.